Alright, we have with there, Javin Williams, man of the match against Glenmuir. Pretty much a very, very good game between Mannings and Glenmuir. What do you think about the team performance today, Javin?
The performance was excellent. The only thing we need to add to our game is the finishing. As we would have won this game easily.
Nilal, do you think that do you think that the Glenmuir team, you expect them to come at you guys like this, or you expect it to be a more of an easier game?
No, we expected this. We expected them to come hard, and we know they're a quality team. They were going to come hard.
In regards, I see you make some last ditch tackles. How do you think about your performance today?
It was a fair performance, but not one of my best games. It's a fair performance.
Question: I love to ask the defender this. A last ditch tackle or scoring a goal? Which one do you think you prefer?
Depends on the situation. Like in this situation,
yeah, Nilal and a team need to keep a clean sheet.
we need to.
Even if you score the winner versus a last ditch tackle, a last minute save off of the goal line, or you score the winner. Which one?
Score the winner.
You don't score the winner?
I want the win.
Yeah, you want to win. Well said. Well said. All right. Good game again, and hopefully see you guys for the next game, right?
Thank you, sir.